Today we're gonna be filming how to make blueberry muffins. I've never made blueberry muffins, so let's get started. Maybe not. Oh boy, having problems setting this up today. Why is that? I don't know if our fuel's working. Just realized I had the propane going in on the wrong side, so I finally got it on the correct side. So I hear propane coming out, so we're just gonna light this. Alrighty. We'll just let this preheat for a few minutes. So we're trying to get it up to 375. Just gonna throw this cover on it. Help trap the heat in. Because it is 28 degrees outside. So while that's preheating, I'm just gonna start mixing. And I think my milk is spilling out of the bag. Man, that's cold. Yeah, my milk is spilled out. Oh my goodness. Oh, what a mess. I'm up here in the mountains. I don't know if you guys can see. I don't think you guys can see the view, but it is super pretty. Just take a look. These mountains here. Got the pine trees behind me. I crack an egg in there. I'm supposed to have a quarter cup of melted butter. What I'm doing, I'm mixing all the wet ingredients first into one bowl, and then in another bowl I'm going to mix all the dry ingredients. There's two cups of flour. So I'm just going to melt this stick of butter in this. Okay, so I'm going to mix this wet ingredients. Looks like egg and milk. I'm going to throw it in here. Just kind of dump it in there. So the one thing I did forget is a hot pad. That's one thing I keep forgetting. I'm just gonna dump it right into this pot. Really hard to turn. Half a cup of sugar in. 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Now that we've got all of our ingredients in here, we're just gonna mix it. So apparently you don't want to over mix it. Okay, so yeah, it says lumps are okay, so looks like we're doing it right. So now I guess we'll just pour in some blueberries. Looks like just 1 cup. Just kind of Roll them in there, I guess. This is a mini muffin tray. Now we're just gonna throw this guy in. Got some blueberry muffins. Throw that in there. Let it cook for a minute. So we're just gonna check on these muffins, see how they're looking. Just gonna peek, take a peek, open it up. Don't look too bad. Still a little doughy on top. Okay, I think these are pretty much done. They're really close. Just so you guys can see what they look like. Let me just kind of fold this in. Let's get a good view. That's what they look like. Just gonna pull one out. Just pull the, oh, that burned myself. Yeah. That's what they, just gonna try this out. Oh yeah. It's actually really good. Not bad for my first time. So I didn't time it, but this probably took like between 20, 25 minutes to bake. So just keep that in mind. It's 28 degrees out here. And there's a little bit of wind too, so that's keeping the oven colder than normal. You guys have any ideas on what else I should cook here in this Coleman oven? Just let me know. We'll try it out. Wow. Well, there you have it. Blueberry muffins in the outdoors. Hey, that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed today's video, like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps the channel out. I would really appreciate you guys and your support and your good comments. If there's something else you want to see, just drop a comment down below and we'll see you in the next video.